Teleporting the last kill. No.
Oh,
That's me. That's me.
How did I?
Let's
I killed
go.
2 people. I think.
Oh, goodbye. Shoot that dude. Oh, you got another kill.
This is
Huh?
the end of the game. What?
You didn't
You
even
see-
come
you see me-
close to hitting them.
Oh. Oh.
What? How do you get so lucky?
That's not luck. That's skill. That right there.
No,
That's
know.
skill.
it's luck to have everyone spawn right at the same time in a
No,
line
that's
twice
Billy,
in
Billy,
30
Billy.
seconds.
Yeah.
Diego, you did not say a single word.
Oh,
And you got so far away from the mic for a second.
okay. Just
Like,
get
it
good.
barely
You're still
picked you up.
doing
Just get good, okay?
Okay.
How many do you have? What the hell? It's like your 4th one.
Oh,
Oh, wait,
I
that's
had
4.
5.
Oh, there goes his hat.
I just hit
Go
it
it.
on his. Wait,
His
what are
hat.
you doing with your arms? Do you see
What?
Diego's arms?
No.
What?
Wait, Diego, your hand is like coming out. You're
No,
like
I think-
right-handed like twice.
Yeah, what the heck? I'm using the wrong hand. I see. Whoa.
It looks so dumb.
Wait. How many zombies left?
There's like 5 more down here. 1 more. 2 more. Oh, there's.
1B. Okay, wait.
Who killed
Did
the
you kill
last
the one behind me?
No.
That sounds like someone who killed the one behind.
Oh.
The heck? Okay, do not shoot. You better not shoot, please, because of the zombie. On
What
the
the
pod.
heck is wrong with you?
It's your
Why are
turn.
you in a helicopter?
Because I pressed 1, and then I pressed 2, because I thought
then
it
you
would
pressed
bring me
3.
to my second gun. And then I pressed 3. Okay.
What the heck, Diego?
I tried the same thing.
Why did you do the same?
Because I have 3 slots, I'm like, okay, maybe if I go my 3rd gun while
That's
you're
what,
like
that's what I
already up
thought.
there. You're already up there. But no.
Don't.
Okay.
What? Did, what
It's
did you
a-
just say?
Thank you.
That's so sweet.
You're probably gonna be spending a lot on me, but it's okay.
Diego, you can only eat there if you get the super spicy sauce again, and you eat the whole cup.
No, I don't want bad diarrhea. I don't want spicy one.
You have to have some kind of spicy.
This idiot eats like barbecue sauce buffalo.
Ew.
Wait, what? Who?
Diego!
No, I don't.
That
Never
is
I eat
mind,
What
rat
medium.
flavor do you
nasty.
get?
Barbecue.
I eat medium.
Lies! You don't even eat medium.
Yes, I do.
Don't even lie.
I never lie. What?
You eat like ultra mild.
That's my parents. I eat medium.
Diego gets the buffalo wings coated in water.
But no, actually, the boneless, okay?
You're leaving me! What are you doing?
Yeah, Mo.
You left me! Ah!
What the heck?
Uh-oh.
What just happened? What just happened?
He jumped out of the helicopter and exploded and didn't even make it to the land.
Oh, I got your stuff now.
I kind of forgot about the second part. Diego, go where I am.
Where are you? Ouch.
Your body just.
Oh my god.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Stairs.
Explosive charge set.
Oh no, I'm getting shot at. No. Oh my god, what was that?
Another.
There's a bunch of them down. They're like in a storm right now. Oh,
Got another.
I believe.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch. Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated. Taking action fire.
No mames, pinche pistola.
Oh, dang, I'm so Porter. You're so cracked. Oh my god.
He started speaking Spanish.
Oh my god, you're so cracked in front of my guy.
Yeah, you
Jesus.
did good. Good job, Pudding.
Thank you.
Let's
Big
This
eye
dude
curiosity.
is level 6. E.
His Susie very curious.
Mm.
Okay, you better or else.
It's gonna
no,
be in level 6.
Means you're a noob.
Who's level? Diego, what level are you? You're level 1, dude.
I'm prestige already though.
Wait, he's level 6 in the whole game.
Yeah.
Oh my-
He's booty.
I was level 6 after playing for like 15 minutes.
I play like one match and that's it. Like, either from me.
Oh,
Don't
you
worry.
did.
This game
Yeah,
mode,
that's
this
what
game,
I-
there is a floating thing above
Oh,
Diego's
never mind,
head. Do
never
you
mind.
see that? There's like, is that a
There you go.
cigar?
Shotgun shells. No, it's shotgun shells. They're stacked on top.
What
of
the
each
heck?
other.
Oh, do you
Why
see
am I
that, Diego?
talking like that? What the heck?
Why
My
are
shot-
they there?
I
What
don't
the heck?
know. It's
Gas
not-
is closing. Get to the new
Oh,
safe
loadout
zone.
drop. I see it.
I don't really want to get that.
Oh, I
but
want
I'm
to get
like-
that.
Can I get it?
I'm
Hello?
driving.
Alright.
Diego.
Easy.
The shotgun shell is still floating.
What?
Oh,
Oh,
wait.
Contact.
how do you
The
get
enemy
both of
Is
took
that a
them?
that one,
hacker?
but we'll be back
That
to
guy's
finish the
cheating.
job.
Oh yeah, that's
Oh yeah, that's a hack. Wow.
Oh,
Wait, I want to watch him. I
that's
wanna
the
watch him.
first hacker I've seen.
Yeah, me too. What the heck? Wait, I want to
Cool.
spectate. Dang, man.
Oh my gosh.
Just outsmarted him, bro. He's just genius. You know?
Oh my god.
He don't miss a shot. He's just good at the game, bro.
No, he's just too good. It's like
Yeah,
he's
too
using.
good.
It's like he's using aimbot, but he's not.
Nah, no way.
That guy was just laughing in the chat border.
Really?
Yeah, he died and he was just laughing.
Aw.
He's
That's
like,
cute.
I'm done with this.
But like more normal. What are you doing? Why are you swimming?
Watch this.
Friendly RCXD in the AO.
Escort my XD.
Oh.
To where?
I don't know. Where the bad guy at? Watch this. I'm playing Rocket League, bro.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Luckily.
Rocket League?
Oh,
in
I heard
Warzone?
someone. I thought I heard someone.
I hear someone. What the heck?
Oh, I got them. I got them, bro. Oh, it didn't even kill him. That did. That did.
Hey. My game keeps lagging.
Well,
Oh,
stop.
this boy dead, bro. Oh my.
Warming up. Stand
I'm
by for
so.
deployment.
Oh, what?
He just stood up.
He just stood
I'm
back
gonna
up.
teabag on him. Medium.
What?